Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel of pharmacy. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, so please make sure to subscribe, and if you like this content, so please click the like button. And today's video is paper of the pharmaceutics. This is the question paper for the first year, for the first semester. So I have kept this question paper only for the purpose of to recognize how the pattern of question paper will be there. So other than that, there is nothing in this. So please try to concentrate. In you have a 5 units, okay, right? In 5 units, so not only these questions. So while you are reading, you may know that. So this is the important question which would ask for 2 marks. So like that, some questions will be there, no? So randomly pick up that questions also along with these questions, okay? But try to concentrate on these questions also, because questions are mostly repeated questions. Something they may ask you directly or indirectly, so it's the thing you should concentrate on the concept but not blindly on the question papers which I have posted. Okay, see, I'm again giving a disclaimer that, so try to read. My motto is only try to read the concept and understand that, and not only reading this question paper. Okay, I think you are doing good. And see, this is the question paper, and if you want any answers for these questions, so please make sure to comment, then as possible, as early as possible, I will post the answers. Okay, question paper which is attempt of 75 marks and remaining marks for internals. And here they are categorized into 3 sections, that is section A, B and C. In section A, we know the 2 marks questions, so 5 into 2, 10 marks. And here they ask write the parts of prescriptions. So you should attempt each and every part of a prescription. So don't think that this is the 2 marks question, no? So it's enough to write within 4 lines. So you should attempt continuously what's the answer within a shortcut, and it should be fully reachable to the correct paper evaluator. Okay, and next, calculate the dose for an infant of 6 months of a drug for which the adult dose is 500 mg. See, this question, whatever question papers you have observed, definitely this there no like Young formula, Culling's formula, and that all formulas, definitely there will be one question. So try to read all that formulas, and the 2 marks definitely will be there in your hands. Marks, definitely 2 marks will, you know very well. And write about the eutectic mixtures, and you should write what are eutectic mixtures, and find out how many parts of 50%, 60%, 30% and 40% alcohol should be mixed to get 45% alcohol. See, this question is there in the standard books, so it's better to you to go and check that book, or else if you asked me this question, surely I'll post the answer. And remember, this question is also the important. And write about nasal drops. So you have studied in classification of dosage forms, right? So there you get the classification of nasal drops. So in that, you should at least try to prepare one preparation for syrup, and one preparations for eye drops, and one preparation for nasal drops. Okay, and next, write about, and here I want to tell you that definitely prepare the simple syrup formulation that is there, no? So prepare that one. Okay, and write about emulsifying agents. Just try to write what is emulsifying agent and what are the uses, and try to mention the examples of emulsifying agents. And next, explain the advantages and disadvantages of suppositories. So when they ask the question, don't try to write as like advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, give the attempt that suppositories definition, and that advantages of suppositories and disadvantages of suppositories, and try to mention the uses of suppositories. Okay, and next, see here, menthol 5 grams, camphor 5 grams, ammonium chloride 30 grams, light magnesium 60. Explain the incompatibility in the formulation correction method. So see, in every formulations, when one compound is suitable with another compound, only we make it as a formulation, right? So here they given the 4 different chemicals, whatever it might be. So you try to mention, is menthol is soluble for, it is good to soluble the camphor and ammonium chloride and light magnesium carbonate, and why or why not, and give the, and if it is wrong, so try to mention the correction method. Okay, and if that's why you should read what's the activity of menthol and camphor and ammonium chloride. Okay, so the basic thing, and define semi-solid dosage form and classifies the semi-solid dosage forms. So remember, you should define what is semi-solid dosage form, and you should classify also what is semi-solid dosage form. And it's better, before classifying you should say what is dosage form. See, remember, dosage form and drug is entirely having different definitions, so please make sure to concentrate on that. It's just a matter of 1 minute. And explain the preparation of creams, and you should attempt here the preparations of creams. And next, when it comes to the 2 into 10 20 marks, and here you have to attempt any two questions. And here define posology and explain the factors affecting posology. See, this video about posology is got more likes in my channel, so thanks to each and everyone for your wonderful support, and thanks a lot. And my channel, so please make sure to go and check that video. And next, define suspensions, write about flocculated and deflocculated suspension, explain stability problems of suspensions and methods to overcome. See, each and every question you have, this is only just like one question, but in this so many questions are there. First you should define what is suspension, it is in dosage form, and write about flocculated and deflocculated suspension. So in this here, you attempt what is flocculated and deflocculated suspension, and also write the difference between the flocculated suspension and deflocculated suspension. So see, flocculated suspension means which is not a hard cake, but wherever it is a deflocculated suspension means it forms as a hard cake, which shouldn't, it won't get redispersed, it won't get separated even after redispersions. And also write the methods to overcome and explain the stability of problem. And you should, here second question is explain stability of problems of suspensions, and also you should explain what are the stability problems of suspensions, and also what are the methods to overcome. Okay, and explain the chemical incompatibilities with examples. Here explain the chemical incompatibilities they asked with examples, so as possible I will make a video on this. Next, when it comes to 7 questions, that is 7 into 5 35 marks, any question is not there, so please, I'm requesting you can comment and I'll make a video on that. And write about British pharmacopoeia, this is well known, which is in our channel. And write about the history of pharmacy industry growth in India, and this is not in our channel, I'll make a video on that. And write about dusting powders, okay, dusting powders. And next, write about principle and procedure of dispensing bulk powders for external use. And write about lotions and liniments. Define emulsions, classify the emulsions, write about the test and used for identification of type of emulsion. And this question, there definitely I'll make a video, one of the most important question. And remember, wherever you are learning in the first year, these are the basics for the upcoming years. Remember this, I'm strongly saying that these are the basics for the upcoming years. Okay, and there will be only one topic here you got only in the classification of emulsion, but where you coming on to the upcoming years, definitely there will be a topic about emulsion suspensions. Okay, so try to remember what is emulsions, okay, and types of emulsions, and what are the tests for the emulsions. And write the evolution test of suppositories, and evolution test of suppositories I'll make a video on that. And write about therapeutic incompatibilities with example. See, in previously they asked about chemical incompatibilities, and here therapeutic incompatibilities. Make sure I'll make a video. Explain the evolution test of semi-solid dosage forms. Same, what are the evolution test of semi-solid dosage forms? So here is the complete question paper of this first years in pharmaceutics. If you want any question answer, and try to comment as soon as possible, I'll make a video. And don't skip, these are the, again I am saying that these are the basic things which you have to learn here and you have to remember, and these are most useful on to your upcoming years. So then you will remember that I have told you like this. Okay, remember emulsion, suspensions and whatever emulsifying agents, all are the basic things. Okay, so thanks for everyone and who are supporting me, and it's mean a lot to me. Thank you so much.